Hey guys, can you solve 5 squared minus 4 times 3 plus 2? 5 squared equals 5 times 5 equals 25, right? 25 minus 4 times 3 plus 2. Now 25 minus 4 equals 21, right? Times 3 plus 2. Now 21 times 3 equals 63 plus 2, and 63 plus 2 equals 65. But this is wrong. Multiplication and division must be done before addition and subtraction, but exponents first. So let's solve it correctly. So first of all, exponents, right? So 5 squared equals 25, right? Minus 4 times 3 plus 2. We use PEMDAS rule, follow the order of operations, parenthesis first, right? Then exponents, then multiplication and division. Division and multiplication have equal priority from left to right. So addition and subtraction from left to right. So 25 minus 4 times 3 plus 2. No, multiply first, right? Multiplication and division must be done before addition and subtraction. So 25 minus 4 times 3 equals 12 plus 2. Now 25 minus 12 equals 13 plus 2, and 13 plus 2 equals 15.